Hi, this is Litre from Toolbox Pro. Today with the 2013 Nissan Navara, stock number 6668. It's ran from the 1st 2007 to the 8th 2015. Here's a YD 25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the YD 25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch factory America tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door 3 dents, left rear door 1 light fold, left rear 16-inch factory America tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate 3 dents and 1 crease, right hand taillight minor sun cracks, right rear 16-inch factory America tyre, right rear door 5 dents, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch factory America tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifters, heater AC controls, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,